What's going on, everyone? This video is to kind of show you guys a funded account that I have, a certificate of funding by Apex Trader Funding. Now, I'm funded with multiple different accounts, multiple different companies, I should say. And the reason is I like to spread out the wealth, right? But Apex is one of the top. I do like Apex. I do like Top Step. I do like Surge Trader. They all have their benefits. Don't get me wrong. I'm not going to sit here and say that one is particularly better than the other. Obviously, the rules on some of them, as far as max drawdown, trailing day thresholds, and all that stuff is different. Payouts are different. Timelines are different. Some of them are 2 steps. Some of them are 1 steps. Now, I do like Apex because they are a 1-step process, right? So you only need to make your profit goal one time and then you can get funded. So with Apex, you're going to receive 100% of the first $25,000 earned on that account. And then after that, it's 90%. You're allowed to request 2 payouts a month. So treat it like a normal job, guys. I know a lot of you guys want to be traders and you guys want to make $20,000 a day. Let's just be realistic. Make $1,000 every 2 weeks. That's $2,000 a month. You can have up to 20 accounts. Do the math, right? Trade full-size contracts and evaluations or funded accounts. No daily drawdowns, trade through holidays, trade your normal day-to-day strategy, no total cap on maximum payout. It's a 1-step evaluation process, real-time market data included, simple risk management rules, and obviously, like I said, up to 20 accounts for that you can trade. So with that being said, there's multiple different accounts that you can go for. I like the $50,000 account. The reason why I like the $50,000 account is because you can trade 10 micros, which again, if you're in the process of just starting out, I would say stay away from minis. Excuse me. You can trade 10 minis and 100 micros. I would say stay away from minis, trade micros, 2, 3, 4 micros at a time. Yes, you're not going to make as much, but you're also not going to blow up your account. The number one goal to any kind of funding company is not blowing up the account. The goal is to extract money, not just keep giving them money. Okay. So you have a trailing threshold of 2,500. There's no daily drawdown. Again, so what you have to do is just don't lose more than $2,500. I understand that some people say they don't like the trailing because let's say you're up 1,000 and you go down 500. Now you're down 500 on your trailing. But again, it's like this. If you're up 1,000 and you're not happy with that, there's something wrong up here. Okay. There's something wrong up here. I don't care if your plan, has that you should be able to hold this all day. Guys, that's not the reality of trading. Trading is stocks are going to go up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. It's a wave, right? So you're going to get those waves. It's up to you to capture that wave when it's at the top. We want the most amount of money, right? Again, with that being said, the reason why I like the $50,000 account is because your profit goal is only $3,000 to give you a $2,500 trailing threshold. Look at the $75,000. It's $4,200 that you have to hit in profit, but they only give you $250 more that you can lose. The $100,000 you have to hit $6,000, so it's double from the 50K, and you only get $1,000 or $500 more on your trailing threshold. So again, I need to double my profits. I need to make $6,000, and I am only allowed another $500 of trailing threshold before the account. Like look at that as your risk. That's your overall risk. So I can only risk 3,000, but I have to make 6,000. When here I only have to make 3,000, but I can make 2,500, or I can lose 2,500. Come on, it's a numbers game, right? So definitely start off with the 50K. It's really, really good. Right now there's a sale for save 80% off of this price here, off the 167, save 80%, guys. So use that coupon code SAVE80 at the checkout, and you'll get that all knocked down. Again, the link will be down in the description box below. I would definitely recommend set up a TraderVate. Go with the TraderVate account. The only reason I say TraderVate, it's a little bit easier of a platform to get started, especially if you've never used NinjaTrader platform. Attaching that NinjaTrader and Rhythmic accounts to get everything set up takes a long time, especially if you don't know how to do it. The easier way to just go about this, just go scroll down. So when you come to the website here, Apex Trader Funding, that link down in the description box below, scroll down, right? You'll see the initial ones. All of these are for Rhythmic and NinjaTraders. This is the platform that you're using. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and make sure you guys get the TraderVate NinjaTrader plan, not the Rhythmic NinjaTrader plan, because it's just easier to set up. Again, if you've already used NinjaTrader, you know how to set it up, you know how to get everything synced together, then go ahead, be my guest and use Rhythmic and NinjaTrader. If you've never synced Rhythmic to NinjaTrader, save yourself the headache. Just go with the TraderVate NinjaTrader plan. It's a lot easier. Their dashboard is very, very clean on TraderVate. Again, same thing. Use the 50,000. Get the $50,000 account. But just kind of wanted to touch on Apex Trader Funding. Again, like I showed you guys, I am funded. It's not like I'm just shilling this information out there. I use them perfectly. You can see this is what they send me, their certificate, right? $50,000 Rhythmic account, again, awarded to Dennis White. Again, you know, so it is what it is, right? I've got 3 accounts right now with Apex Trader Funding. I'm looking to get that up to 10, you know, by the end of the year. So I'm taking it nice and slow, building these accounts, taking withdrawals, right? So I want to be able to take withdrawals on these accounts, maybe 1,000, 1,500 per account. And then once I get up to around 10 accounts, you can see how that really starts to add up. No rush for me. Don't plan on trying to make $20,000 in a month, although that would be nice. It's not realistic. I just want to make $1,000 an account. That would be more than perfect. So you can start to really stack up those gains, 2, 3, 4 accounts. That's $2, 3, 4, $5,000 that you're withdrawing from these prop firms. Again, use the prop firms as leverage, guys. It's more leverage for you. It's a game, right? You got to play the game right. Follow the rules. Don't try to be a rock star. Don't try to be a hero. But again, if you guys do want to get a good prop firm, Apex pays out. Okay, that's the number one thing. Do these prop firms pay out? They pay out. Okay, Top Step pays out. Surge Trader pays out. There's a bunch of other companies. They all pay out. If you're not taking a payout, that's because you're blowing up your account. Don't be stupid. You know, treat it like a business. If you treat this like a business, you'll get the returns like a business. With that being said, just wanted to pass the information along to you guys. Again, Apex Trader Funding, that'll be the first link down in the description box below. Use coupon code SAVE80. I believe it's SAVE80. So just SAVE80. You should get the 80% off on this account here. Again, it's great for people who are learning. It's great for people who want to add more revenue to the bottom line. It's great for people who want to have skin in the game, but you don't want to risk a ton of capital. You don't want to go put up 10, 15, 20, 30 grand to trade. You know, go ahead and put up, I think it's like 30 bucks or 40 bucks once it's all said and done. Put up 30 or 40 bucks, and even if you can withdraw 500. Also, they have withdrawal changes, withdrawal rule that changes. You have to be able to make $1,000 before you can take that out. Now it's only 500. So for those of you guys who wanted to take out smaller increments and kind of continue to trade, you can do that now at a $500 threshold. Again, 2 payouts a week. So technically per account, you can take out $1,000 a month. Again, you can take out more if you do make more. But what I'm saying is, let's say, for example, you make $2,000 one week, you make $800 the next week. So total $2,800 in profits. You can go ahead and decide to take out 500, 500, 1,000 and 800, whatever you want to do, right? It doesn't matter. If you make 20,000, you still have to be able to take out just what they're allowing you to take out every 2 weeks. With that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe.